Hello everyone and welcome to another ChatGPT tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to search for files within a ChatGPT chat. So let's say you have a very long chat, you have some documents here and you want to find these files. How can you do that? Whether you are on desktop or on mobile, you are going to click on the three dots on the top right hand side, and here you are going to select view files in the chat. Once you select view files in the chat, then you're going to get a list of all the files that are included in this chat, of course, if you have any, and you will be able to select them, download them, and see them. That's it. That's how easy it is to search and find files in ChatGPT chats. Again, whether you are on mobile or desktop, is the same process. You click the three dots, view the files in the chat, and that's it. That's all for this video as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps tremendously to create new content. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.